What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Crypto Airborne in the house, dropping you guys the latest and greatest cryptocurrency news and updates. Today's December 28th, 2021. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the crypto market. Bitcoin just took a dump, just pulled everything else down with it. But we might have a reversal, a bump and run reversal. You guys ever hear that? Stick around, I'll tell you all about it. All right, guys, hopefully you're having a great day today. Smash that thumbs up button on your way in. Really helps with the YouTube algorithm, and it's how you guys can help support the channel. Really appreciate it. All right, guys, so we're going to jump right into the market overview. Not looking too hot, man. Market is down about 6.5% the last 24 hours. Bitcoin's down 4.9%, sitting at $47,554. We got Ethereum down 5.31%, sitting at about $3,792. Binance Coin's down 3.63%, sitting at 536. Solana's down about 7.7%. Cardano's down 6.03%, sitting at $1.39. We did have some gainers though last 24 hours. We had a quick swap up 61.59%, sitting at $429.53. Actually got a bag of that. Actually not a bag, but I have a few of those based off one of the live streams we had the other day. So I'm gonna have to see where I'm at with that. Nice. Harvest Finance up 36.16%, sitting at $187.40. And Enzyme up 34%, sitting at $115.55. But yeah, not a lot green today, but we did have, a few coins that were green. So losers, what was it? What were the top losers last 24 hours? Spell Token seems to be common. I keep saying that a lot. Down 14.68%, sitting at 0.0216. We got Byco's down about 13%, Playdap's down about 12.67%, and Aave down 12.02%. Sitting at $252.41. All right, so jumping over to the holidays. Today is December 28th, 2021. Just a few more days left of 2021. Can't believe this year just flew by, man. I feel like, I don't know, it's a crazy year, just along with the last couple years we've had. But yeah, National Call a Friend Day, National Chocolate Candy Day, National Download Day, Card Playing Day, Holy Innocents Day, Short Film Day, Pledge of Allegiance Day, and Proclamation Day in Australia. So there you have it for your holidays. Jumping on over to Crypto Bubble's Top 100. Everything is obviously red, although there is a couple that are green. ICX, Oasis Network up 5.1, Phantom, Myota up, up 8.2%. But overall, everything's looking red. Favorites. Whew, nothing's doing good except Uniswap up 0.7%. I don't like seeing the red, but might be a good time to buy. Not financial advice. All right, Bitcoin dominance down a little bit, sitting at about a 39.95%. Still on that downtrend. Looks like we're consolidating a little bit. So there you have it for that. Jumping over the total crypto market cap. Little dump we had since yesterday. Looks like we're at about 2.4 trillion, down about to 2.25 trillion. So, little correction, but, I'm not worried. Crypto Fear and Greed Index. Yesterday we were at a 41 fear. Today we are at a 27. So, yeah, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. I didn't buy anything today, but I'm just, sitting on the sidelines, hodling, depending on where you guys are from, however you pronounce that. But yeah, I'm in hodl mode right now. All right, so jumping into today's topic of discussion, just doing a little bit of research on Bitcoin, why we dumped. I've been out all day today, so I'm just trying to catch up tonight. But I came across something called a bump and run reversal bottom. So again, by no means am I a technical analysis expert. Go check out Six Fig Stock Trader, one of my good buddies. His whole channel is dedicated to that. But I texted him and asked him if he's heard of the bump and run reversal bottom, and he has. And I've never heard him talk about it, but did a little research on it just to see what it is. So it's discovered by Thomas Bulkowski back in 1999, and essentially what it is the bump and run reversal bottom is a chart pattern that is a surprisingly good performer in both bull, ranking best for performance, and bear markets, ranking second best. It has a low break-even failure rate and a high average rise after the breakout. So it kind of looks like this right here. And some of the important bull market results, some of the statistics based off 1,909 perfect trades that they've done, or whoever did this. The overall performance is 1 out of 39. The break-even failure rate's 9%. An average rise out of this is 55%. So maybe a huge upside here soon with Bitcoin in the total market. Throwback rate 61%, and the percentage median price target the pattern's top is 76%. So I'm not going to get into the details. You guys can pause it and just go through each of the characteristics of the bump and run reversal bottom. But this has like some of the identification guidelines. You got your lead-in phase, the bump phase, and then obviously the run phase. And then they have some trading tips. I'm not going to go through all of it, like when exactly you should, put a buy in or take a sell or whatnot. But yeah, like I said, I'm not going to go through this whole thing and bore you guys. Did find a tweet though from Phoenix where he said, or she said, the Bitcoin bump and run reversal bottom. So he just has like kind of a chart straight out of a technical analysis book, it looks like here, where currently here's the Bitcoin price in the 12-hour. This is the lead-in phase that we have going on right here. And then here's the bump phase, obviously right here. And then currently where we're at, it looks like we're at the throwback to trend line, getting ready to get into an uphill run. So they call it the bump and run to the upside. So like I said before, just a second ago, was a 55% average rise after this. That would be nice. So Kevin Svensson, he also said bump and run reversal bottom for Bitcoin. March 2020 versus December 2021. So it's kind of a comparison he did to the two. Let's see. So can't really see it here, but to get the March 2020, where here we have literally the exact same pattern. Looks like the bump and run. Currently where we're at is right here, where we had, the 55% or whatever percentage it was to the upside heading out into May. Compared to today, where, looks pretty similar. We're right here at that bottom, 47,591, kind of where we're at with Bitcoin. So potentially we could see an upside here soon, in my opinion, just based off the bump and run reversal bottom. Thought that was pretty interesting. So hopefully you guys found some, good content in that. Have you guys ever heard of that, the bump and run reversal bottom? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm curious. But yeah, that's what it's looking like, man. Another tweet by this person named Emmy said that the daily candle just closed about 54 minutes ago. Not the nicest daily candle, but the daily 200 SMA is acting as a strong support for price. Bears are desperate to dump Bitcoin, but the bulls are guarding the high 40s with great strength. Weekly chart looking like classic consolidation as we saw in May and through July. I'm bullish. So, yep, it's holding that 200 SMA right here. That's been, pretty strong support that we've had with Bitcoin. Just seems to, either bounce right off of it or wick down below it, but then bounce back up. So, just another tweet that I thought was pretty interesting that I'd bring to you guys. And again, I've been talking about this in a lot of my previous videos, and I hate beating a dead horse. Check out lookintobitcoin.com. It has a bunch of Bitcoin charts. It has market cycle charts, on-chain charts. I've talked about a couple of these in detail, and it's just a bunch of data throughout Bitcoin's history and kind of showing where we're at today. And each one's different. I like the Puel multiple. The pi cycle top indicator is a good one. The golden ratio multiplier, and the MVRV Z-score is really good. And my most recent one I think I did a video on was the RODL ratio. So I'm not going to get into this, but essentially whenever the RODL ratio line gets into the red, that's indicated the top. Look where we're at right now. So when in doubt, zoom out, guys. I still think we have a lot of room. This is just a regular correction. Bitcoin's crashing. This is just what crypto does. Like, if you guys aren't used to it, obviously, you're probably freaking out a little tiny bit. I'm not worried whatsoever because, I've been in the market for years now. I have all these data points to look into, stick in my back pocket to formulate my own, opinion on where I think the price is going to be headed. So I'm not worried, guys. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Again, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you aren't subscribed, or consider subscribing. Turn on the bell notification so you get notified as soon as I upload a video. But yeah, hopefully you guys have a great rest of your night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Crypto Airborne out. Have a great one, everybody.